3D printing is the process of creating something from nothing, just like magic, which makes the imagination come true. I'm Magic Box. Welcome to Magic World. On the way of exploring magic, different users are pretty enjoy 3D printing. Why? Keep watching.
I'm a mom who's a bit of naughty at home. My boy always wanted a spaceman. So I remotely control printing one for him by Creality Cloud app. Meanwhile, the whole printing process can be monitored in real time on the phone. Especially, Sermoon V1 makes less than 45 dB of noise during printing. You will hardly notice it.
I'm a father with a 4-year-old son. Sermoon V1 brings lots of fun and interaction with my boy. Safe introduction spells is exactly what I like. Greatly reduces the risk of being scolded and safe for kids. I am a designer. Normally I pay much more attention to the accuracy of printing. Firstly, the extruder in Sermoon V1 has a powerful energy which improves the success rate of printing. Quick disassembly and assembly nozzle design is convenient for me to maintain and clean.
I'm a beginner. In Sermoon V1 changed my view of traditional 3D printers. Out-of-box printing design is so considerate for leveling, for assembly, which is friendly for beginners like me. In addition, it's easy to remove metal from platform.
I'm Sermoon V1 from Creality family. Here is where I was born. My production team put a lot of efforts from assembly, testing, and packaging to ensure my quality. In just a few months, I have been very popular. And so far, I have been shipped to many countries and tens of thousands of users to help them unleash the magic of 3D printing. A Magic Box. Let's create magic and explore a fantastic world.